The IXM has a playback function controlled by the playback keypad, and that allows you to check your latest recordings on location. Just plug in the headphones, but check your volume level before using to prevent hearing damage. After that, just press play. You can adjust the volume level by pressing the stop button on the dashboard in combination with the forward or rewind button. The playback will always start at the beginning of your last recording or where you stopped your last playback. You can choose in the IXM admin software. While playback, the record LED will shine green. You can navigate through the files by using the buttons forward and rewind. Voice announcements will guide you through the files. To stop your playback, just press the stop button on the playback keypad. If you have to do a quick recording, you can always press the recording button at any time, and that will interrupt your playback for the recording. While recording, you can always plug in the headphones to check your current recording live. To provide zero latency, the headphone signal will not be layer processed, but you can be sure that your recording is layer processed.